Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of my Let's Discuss series. It's kind of a big episode, got a lot to cover. Talking about my stock of the week, as well as finding out who won the Amazon gift card raffle. Really blown away by all the support I've gotten over the past 2 weeks. Had 25 entries total. I was really hoping for at least 10, so I had far exceeded my expectations. So sincere thanks for all of you helping me out and helping out the channel. I look forward to doing another raffle sometime in the future. Just a good tool to help get my name out there and hopefully expand the channel. But first things first, 3M won out pretty handily in my Twitter poll. Beat out Pepsi and Bank of America. But if you voted for the other two, don't worry. I'm sure I'll eventually get to those. But 3M was the big winner of the week. I have not decided what I'll be talking about next week. I might throw out another poll to talk about an investing topic that you guys want to hear about. But yeah, that's about the plan for the video. So I'll make my disclaimer and we'll take a look at 3M. So of course, guys, just always make it clear that I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for your guys' entertainment and really just as a hobby for me. I just hope you guys do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions, and I hope you guys just enjoy my videos. So let's get ready to discuss 3M. So guys, right off the top, I just want to say that 3M is one of my very favorite companies. It's my second largest holding in my portfolios for a reason. Their products and their product lines and brands are just so well known, from Post-it to Scotch to their Filtrete products to their Command brands. It's just so diversified and so usable for both consumers and companies alike. It's possible that if you can think about it, they probably make it, or if you have a need, they can probably fill it. It's just a company that is so well built to handle really any kind of economic bad weather, or they can handle any kind of unexpected problems that may arise within the company. But as far as their stock is concerned, they're currently trading at $173.49 as of today. They offer a very strong dividend yield of 3.35%. Which boils down to an annual payout of $5.88 per share. So they're pretty well known for offering a strong dividend as well as a strong long-term performance, but it's backed by a sustainable payout ratio of just over 68%, and they're actually one of the few dividend kings, and they've been paying their dividend for a whopping 62 consecutive years, which is such an enormous feat for any company to lay claim to, which they do. Being a dividend king is something a lot of companies probably wish they could be or dream of being, but many don't make it. Being able to grow that dividend for at least 50 consecutive years is really a neat feat, and it's something I'm sure they're very proud of. As far as some of their kind of long-term numbers and some of their recent performance, over the past 6 months, their stock is up about 5%. Now, that is quite a bit below what we've seen the market do, but 3M wasn't hit quite as hard as a lot of companies were during the pandemic. Now, don't get me wrong, they were still hit pretty solidly, but they have kind of weathered that storm and are coming out on the better side of it. For the last year, they're up just about 3%, but again, a lot of that can be contributed to the pandemic. Over the last 5 years, they're up only 12%, and over the last 10 years, they're up 108%. So 3M does offer a lot of stability, not that rapid growth that a lot of companies may see. Like, a lot of people invest in tech companies for that rapid growth, but They also may sometimes discount that rapid descent or rapid crash that may also be associated with some more volatile sectors. 3M is as solid as they come. I really can't say enough good things about 3M from an investment perspective, especially for someone with my investing strategy. I just think it's a really almost a perfect investment for anyone who's like me that really focuses on dividend investing. So a couple of pros and cons that I have for 3M. A lot of them I've already kind of mentioned. First thing is their products and their business interests are just so diversified and so well-rounded that they are so well equipped to handle any kind of economic disturbance or something like we're seeing now with the potential for a prolonged recession. I think they're one of the better companies out there that would be such a good investment to have in the event of an economic downturn. And I think a lot of that's backed up by the fact that they are a dividend king. And in the last 62 years, obviously, we've had a lot of economic growth as a country, but there's definitely been times where we've seen a recession or a little bit of a downturn in the economy. Stuff like in the late 70s, the dot-com bubble, the 2008 financial crisis, as well as what we're kind of seeing today. They've been through all of that with flying colors, and I think that's a really good indicator of who they are as a company. But if I did have to look at a little bit of cons, I would say that their share price growth has been a little bit underwhelming, especially in recent years. 3M had been on a bit of a slide even before coronavirus. They were in the high 200s in early 2018, and they've really kind of been on the decline to some degree since then. But I think some of that could also be attributed to their legal battles that they've kind of had. That's kind of been an issue for them. But I think the long-term prospects are nothing to worry about. I think they will be fine in the long run. And that is why I am very comfortable in saying that they are a buy at this current time. I would say if you are a dividend investor such as myself, it is almost a must hold in any of your portfolios. It's something that I think is just a really nice foundation for any portfolio. If you're more of a swing trader or a growth portfolio oriented person, then 3M's probably not the best holding for you. It doesn't offer that high growth upside that some companies may have. But if you're wanting for something to be a little bit less volatile and more steady, then 3M would be a great company to add. As far as their fair value, it's kind of hard to price since they are such a steady company for the most part. But I would have to say $185 per share would have to be a fair value for them at this current time. And I would go as far as say that anything up until 200 would be fair value. 3M is a company that I would consider to be right at value in this increasingly overpriced market. You're seeing a lot of the bigger companies be way over their should be share price, I guess. And their IPOs like DoorDash and Airbnb have just gone wild. I'm sure many of you have kept a close eye on that. In fact, if you're looking for a little bit of my thoughts on Airbnb and DoorDash, feel free to check out my latest M1 Journey video I posted on Monday. But with 3M, I feel very strongly about their long-term prospects, that they will be around for the long haul, and they're great for really any investor, but specifically if you're looking for dividend paying companies, if you're looking at retirement, if really you're just starting out and you're just trying to find your way in investing, I think 3M would be a great company to invest in. So now that I've shared my thoughts about 3M, kind of the point I'm sure a lot of you are waiting for, to finally figure out who won the Amazon gift card. I've got it right here. One of you guys will come away with this. If you are the lucky winner, I plan on sending you guys the code. I will give the winner until Saturday to claim. If you don't claim by then, I will try to contact you via whatever social media platform you entered through, whether it be Twitter or Instagram. So the way this is going to work, I have all of your names in an Excel spreadsheet. I plan to put your names into a list randomizer on random.org and then I will put your names back down all by a number, and then I will randomly draw a number again from random.org, and whoever's number matches up with their name will be the winner. So that'll be the way it works. The number of times I randomize it will be decided by a single dice, again supplied by random.org, and that's kind of how it'll work. So I'll explain it more as I'm going through it, if that'll make more sense. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is time for the raffle. Just to explain a little bit how this is going to work. I have all of your names here in my Excel spreadsheet in the order that you guys entered. So I will roll a single dice, and that will determine how many times I'm going to randomize a list of your names, and then I'm going to copy and paste that randomized list back here into this name column, and whatever number your name ends up by, that's the number you're going to hope pops up when I randomize a number generator. So I'll walk you through a little bit more as we're doing it. So we're going to start here by rolling one dice, and to come back 5. So I'm going to copy and paste your names into a list randomizer, and I'm going to randomize it 5 times. So go back here to lists, copy and paste. I have all of your names here, and then now I'm going to do it 5 times. So here's the first time, second time, 3 times, 4 times, and 5th and final time. So your numbers or your names are all scrambled here, so I'm going to copy and paste again, and you'll be pasted back into the Excel spreadsheet. So I am going to now roll the dice one more time to see how many times I'm going to randomly generate a number. So go back to the dice, roll again. Okay, I'm going to randomize the number generator 4 times. So go here, 1 through 25 for the 25 entries I got. So I'm going to do it 4 times. Once, twice, 3 times, and 4th and final time, number 13. Whoever number 13 is here is going to be the winner, and that looks like Pam Clifton. So Pam Clifton on Instagram, looks like you are the winner of my gift card. I'll give you until Saturday to claim it, and I will send you the code via Instagram, hopefully, when you reach out. If you don't reach out by Saturday, I will contact you. So thank you to everybody who entered. I hope to do this again in the future. So I'm going to get into some final comments about the video, and we'll wrap it up. So if you enjoy my content, enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date on all my content. Congrats to Pam Clifton for winning the gift card. I look forward to sending you the code. If you guys did not win, you'll have more opportunities down the road, I'm sure. Not so distant future, I'll probably be doing this again, so look out for the next announcement. But until then, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video on Monday. See you then.